everyone, my name is Revanth. I am from Telangana. When I am searching for a job, my friend suggested me to join Evision. Evision is a platform where one can find multiple opportunities. If you want to grow in IT side, and also if someone is poor in technical skills, then this platform will surely help you out in overcoming them. Evision trainers teach us with our native language. They are adding more languages which benefit the student joining. I have been placed at CMS IT services with salary offered of 3.2 lakhs. I joined Evision on 3rd August. After the duration of 45 days from my joining, I got placed. So the person who wants to build a career in IT, then joining Evision is the best option. Thank you.